welcome to Moat Cottage Homesteading. Today I'm joined by my friend Grace and Shay. And Shay's going to show us how to make salted caramel fudge. The recipe's in the description below with all the amounts and ingredients and things you'll need. What have you got over there, Shay?
A pre-buttered baking tin, some white chocolate, some pink salt and some condensed milk.
Over here we got some butter and dark brown sugar and a saucepan.
Shay has a square piece of baking paper. It's big enough to line the baking tray, go up the sides and have a little bit extra for handles so that we can pull the fudge out at the end when it's set. She's cutting small squares out of each corner so that it sits nicely. And it's on the greased baking tray. Perfect. Into the saucepan, Grace is pouring in the sweetened condensed milk, the brown sugar. We're using dark brown sugar, but it's actually better to use light brown sugar for this recipe. And the butter.
Now we're going to take the saucepan over to the stove top to melt down all the ingredients.
Okay. Continuously stirring over a medium heat with a wooden spoon, melt in the butter and dissolve the sugar until it's fully combined. Add in the salt and the chocolate carefully so that you don't splash it up. Continuing to stir so it doesn't burn. Once the chocolate's all melted and you have a smooth consistency, it's ready.
That looks good.
Yeah.
Pour it into the lined baking tray. Top with some more sea salt, and then it goes in the refrigerator until it's set right through. Now it goes in the fridge.
Yeah.
When it's set, remove it from the tray onto a chopping board and slice it into small squares. Then it's ready for the taste test. We've got Nikki joining us.
It looks good.
And we're too busy eating to tell you how good it is. Thanks, Grace and Shay, and thanks for watching.
Okay.